can I help you? How's it going? How can I help you? Can you speak? What's that? I didn't understand. Are you taking pictures of the building, or you taking pictures of the sign? 1, 2, 3. Do you need a translator? I don't understand. You taking pictures of the building? You taking pictures of the street? The street? Hold on, let me get my manager. What's up, guys? Why are you taking pictures of our building? Excuse me?
Who are you?
Who are you? Alright, we're calling the police. I don't quite understand. One, 2, 3. 3 seconds.
Oh, her name's Karen. Her name's Karen.
Guys, take a picture of my car.
you guys answer what you guys are doing? Huh? Any particular reason why you can't answer? Pose?
Well, he held up a badge. I don't know what that meant.
I mean, is it for Google or
For Google?
So what happened? Just stand in front of them and look pretty.
Report him back. Yeah.
What?
I don't know. They won't answer. We already called the police.
Oh, the police? I used to know sign language.
Well, he kept going 1, 2, 3, and then he went like this. Whatever that means. And then he held up. Yeah, see, and then he's doing sign language. I don't know what that means. It's very bizarre. They won't answer. We've asked them what they're doing. They won't say. Yeah.
Now I can. Excuse me, sir. That's our property.
That's our property.
That you gotta be back.
Excuse me, that's our property. Hey, you got your video camera?
Legit. Google, whatever. Yep. Thanks, buddy. Hey, guys.
Oh, you guys act all nice now that the police is here, right?
No, we never said
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, standing in front of us is not a try to
Sir, you can go inside.
right?
Karen.
Yeah, good job.
Hi, Karen.
Are they bothering you at all, guys? Are
Well, they just
interrupting
came
your guys'
out and
filming or
told us
anything?
that we had to leave and all this stuff.
Okay.
But
You guys know the law. Okay, you're on the sidewalk. You're perfectly in public. You can film as much as you want. I'm just
you,
making
man.
sure that your rights aren't being violated, just like theirs.
Thank
Okay.
you.
We treat everybody equally.
Thank you.
I'm Officer Hunselman. Okay. Is there anything I can do for you guys?
we're doing an investigation because we're wondering how is it possible these guys are parked on the sidewalk and parked in the red zone.
Okay. I don't know. That's something our parking enforcement handles. But we can definitely try to make contact and see what's going on with that.
Thank you.
So it's kind of tricky because it's private property up until that one. So that truck's kind of on private property and the sidewalk.
Right,
So
right.
I'll try to make contact with the owner, see if we can actually get it on his property.
you.
That way it doesn't impede you guys and you guys can walk
Right.
freely up and down, okay?
Exactly.
Well, it's not about us, the handicapped people.
Yeah, no,
Somebody-
I understand that. Especially that side of the sidewalk doesn't have an actual
more on this
sidewalk.
side, though.
Huh?
There's some more on this side, that one.
Yeah, no, well, I'm saying because that side doesn't even have a sidewalk, right? So that makes
Right,
it hard
yeah,
more
we
this
have to
way.
be able to walk
They're
on through here.
violating the law, right?
Yeah. So
And
let
you're
me
law
figure.
enforcement, right?
I am law enforcement, sir.
That's it.
Okay. So let me figure that out. Let me figure out who the truck it belongs to because I can't.
Could be there.
Huh?
Their truck. This is.
I'll figure that out. I'll talk to them, okay? Is
Appreciate
there anything
it,
I
man.
can do for you guys right now?
That's it, man. Just
All right,
tell them
guys.
not to come and put their cans in front of our cameras.
They didn't
and-
touch you guys, right?
They didn't, but they were getting pretty close, especially to this guy.
Okay.
So
I'm sure you guys have dealt
we
with
would
that
just
before, right?
respect our space is all we ask,
Absolutely.
you know.
All right,
Appreciate
guys,
it.
give me a
Thank you.
second, okay?
Pussy. Pussy. Panocha.
All right, so there it is. We're gonna go ahead and let the cops educate them. There's no reason for us to get into a dispute here. How you doing, man? All right, good to see you again, man.
Good to see you too.
How you been?
You're doing good.
Keeping the streets safe out there, man?
Trying to.
Thank you. We appreciate your services, man. We just wish, you know, we just hope that, you know, from past experiences and stuff, you guys would learn the law a little bit better because you guys are out here enforcing it, you know?
I definitely learned a lot from that experience.
Appreciate you, man.
No worries, man.
Thanks. This guy, he was in my La Habra video.
Oh.
I'll show you which one. It was a very good experience for both of us, yeah.
Oh, the kidding.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it was good for both of
Oh,
us.
this one, right?
Yeah.
This
Yeah, this guy, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But La Habra is very respectful when it comes to dealing with the public. Just had a couple of uneducated interactions with them. So other than that,
You probably really
No, I have a few family members in the military. What brought you guys to this location?
we were just conducting a red zone investigation. These guys are all parked in the red, parked on the sidewalk. So
Oh, okay.
we're trying to, you know, just take photos of that, document it, so we could go to City Hall, let them know that this is happening. I mean, all these cars are parked in the red. Hey, they have nowhere to park. I mean, I understand, but they should have a permit from the city to park in the red zone like that. I mean, it's just common sense, you know?
Yeah.
We do enforce parking enforcement.
Yes, sir. We have parking sites in.
Or do you do that as well? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Typically, it's either it's parking enforcement on the traffic side, but if we're dispatched to a call out here and they're stuck up on a call, we'll assist them on a big deal.
What was your name again, sir?
Pineda,
Nada.
badge 662.
Appreciate you, man.
Pineda?
Pineda.
Yeah. Good times, man. Good times.
Called me, I think it was baby brother.
Baby brother, yeah. He
Baby
was very
brother?
offended.
Oh,
Baby brother.
yeah,
I was
okay.
like, yeah, man, you're like my baby brother.
And so, you people at the station call me that, so.
Oh, dang. Hey,
You
man,
watch
we live in
I
water.
personally don't watch it, but
A lot of people watch it on.
Hey, that video got a lot of views, man. A lot of people got educated. Not just the department, a lot of people, man. They learned that, hey, we don't have to just give up our rights because you guys show up, man.
Yeah.
You know? And a lot of people do. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you say, hey, let me see your ID. And people are like, yeah, here you go. I'm coming from over here. It's like people are willing to give up their freedom because of your presence, man. But
It all depends on the type
depends
of
on the
code.
situation, yeah.
Situation, so.
I understand that. You know, there's always a good, bad, and an ugly to everything, right?
Yeah.
So we get that, man. We get it.
But you're still Big Brother, right? So.
Ah. Yeah, you can't keep it running, man.
Yeah, I'm more worried it's gonna get stolen.
Hey,
That's extra work, right?
there's a lot of fumes coming out of that
Okay,
vehicle
so I
for
talked to
nothing,
them
man.
about specifically parking in the red zone, parking on the sidewalk. They're gonna move their cars right now.
Thank you, man.
This is the first time that I've actually seen it firsthand. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my discretion. I'm not gonna cite them today.
Right. No.
But I do work pretty often, so if I come back there, I expressly let them know. If they come back and I see them, they're gonna get cited.
Appreciate you,
Okay,
man.
because it's blocking. There's really only one access way in and out, right?
And then right here,
Yeah.
we can't even walk through here. We're forced to walk in the streets, so.
Yeah, so you
It
guys
is
should,
what
you
it
guys
is.
like, we're not gonna hassle you guys, and you guys shouldn't get hassled
Right.
for walking around cars on the sidewalk, right?
Exactly. I mean, legally, we could be 5 feet away from the curb just as long as we're not
Impeding traffic.
impeding traffic and standing there. Exactly. So,
Okay, guys, if you guys don't have any questions for us, we're gonna take off.
again, your name and badge number.
Officer Hunselman, and badge number 690.
Appreciate you, man.
Okay.
Very professional, man.
All right, guys,
Thank
you
you
guys
for
have a
coming
good
out.
day,
All right. Later.
Later.
See you later, bro.
You guys can call us just as much as they can, okay?
Hey, take care of my baby brother.
All right. I will.
All right. Thank you. Oh, man. Gotta love it. La Habra Police.
Very good.
Very educated. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. All right, we got them to move their cars here. I mean, they shouldn't be parked on the sidewalk. This is blocking handicap access to get through this walkway here. So, go ahead and let them roll out of here. Go take care of some man business.
Bye, guys.
Good to see you guys.